Hello everyone and welcome to Jamila's Kitchen. Before we get started today, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, ring that bell, and like my videos. On the menu today at Jamila's Kitchen, we have a delicious key lime cheesecake. Please follow along and don't forget in the description below you will find the recipe and instructions. To make our cheesecake, we're going to start off with our crust. We're going to add our graham cracker crumbs, some sugar, and our melted butter and mix until fully incorporated. So before we add our graham cracker crumbs, we want to make sure to cover the cheesecake pan with aluminum foil because it's going to be in a water bath. So now go ahead and add your graham cracker crumbs, and we're going to smash them on the bottom and a little bit on the sides with a small measuring cup. So you can use a fourth a cup is probably the best one. Here I use a small one. I noticed it was too small, so then I use a fourth a cup and it was just perfect. So this is how it should look like. I used a fourth a cup and pressed it firmly, making sure to go up the sides with the graham cracker crust so it gives it a beautiful look when you make the cheesecake. So we're going to bake this crust for about 10 minutes in the preheated oven at 350 degrees Fahrenheit. So after 10 minutes of baking at 350 degrees, this is a partially baked graham cracker crust. Okay, crust is finished, time for the filling. So make sure your cream cheese is room temperature for a perfect creamy silky cheesecake. Before adding in any other ingredients, make sure your cream cheese is lump free. Then add in your white sugar and mix well. Add in the rest of your wet ingredients. So next we're going to be adding in our vanilla. After adding the vanilla, we're going to add the eggs one egg at a time, making sure to mix after each one. This recipe calls for lots of eggs, so it asks for whole eggs and egg yolks. After adding the eggs, add in your lime zest and then add in your heavy cream. To make sure nothing splashes, make sure to turn off your mixer before adding in your liquid ingredients. I always love to add sour cream to all my cheesecakes to give it that tart taste it deserves. The last ingredient I'm going to be adding is my lime juice. Make sure to add it slowly so it doesn't splash everywhere, or turn off your machine while you add it in. Pour the cream cheese filling into the pre-baked graham cracker crust. Yes, I am aware it is very full, but don't worry, nothing happens. The cheesecake does not overflow as it bakes. So I have my oven ready at 300 degrees Fahrenheit, and I'm ready to place my cheesecake in there. But first, I have to make a water bath. So I'm going to take a deep pan and fill 2 inches of hot water and add my cheesecake pan inside. We're going to bake it for an hour and 25 minutes. Turn off the oven after and leave it in there for 30 minutes. There you have it, a delicious, thick and creamy key lime cheesecake. So delicious. Thank you for watching Jamila's Kitchen. If you love my video, please subscribe to my channel and follow me on Instagram and Facebook.